Hi, welcome to my channel. If you've been following my Easter series, you will recognize these bunny and carrot trade bags. I had some beautiful fabric scraps left over from making those and I couldn't let them go to waste. So today I'm going to show you how to turn those leftovers into these sweet little Easter egg pockets. And there you have it, a sweet handmade way to hide your Easter treats. These pockets take just a few minutes to sew but make any basket feel so special. Don't forget to grab your free pattern in the description and I will see you in the next project.